Yeah! Howdy, Murphy.
Oh, howdy, Rebecca. What are you twirling? That looks fun.
I'm a rootin' tootin' cowgirl, and this is my lasso. Yeah! I've signed up for a lasso contest because I want to win a Cowgirl Champion trophy. Check out my skills.
Oh, there she goes. Look out.
Oops. I'm not that good at lassoing.
You're not good at lassoing yet. You just need a bit of practice. I'll help you clean up and then I'll help you win a trophy.
Oh, Murphy, you're the best monster buddy in the West. Yeah!
Hey, that gives me a monster idea. Time to get this place ready for a monster make. Hey! Whoa! Aha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a toothpaste tube snake.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
Brilliant, Murphy. For this monster make, we'll need an empty toothpaste box, an empty toothpaste tube, stickers, and paint.
What would you like to do first?
We're going to start by using the box. Draw a head shape like this. Then draw a tail shape on another side of the box. And a fork-shaped snaky tongue.
Time for some monster cutting.
Make sure you ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors.
And here's the empty snaky toothpaste tube sliding your way.
Thank you, Murphy. Now let's glue the head in place, folding it over the tube like this. Stick the tail to the bottom of the tube. Then stick the tongue under the snake's head.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky.
You know what that sound means?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs.
Paint it, it's gonna be great. Get your brush and paint, just paint it, paint it. Paint it.
Thank you, Fabulous Fluffs. I love, love, love that song. And you're right, it's time to paint.
Let's go! Paint your snake any colour you want. Add PVA glue to the paint to help it stick.
It could be a stripy snake, or orange, or blue, or red.
It sure can, and today we're painting ours green with yellow stripes. And now we need to leave it to dry. There's one thing left to do.
Let's add some sticker eyes and make some snake sounds.
Great idea, Murphy. There, one toothpaste tube snake all finished.
Oh, nice moves.